Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into an interesting problem related to using G++ versions 13 and 14. The scenario involved a code snippet that works fine in G++ 14, but throws an invalid use of non-static member function error in G++ 13. Quite the head scratcher, right? Let's dig into this problem a bit further. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem. It seems that the issue stems from min_gwgcc implicitly enabling FMS extensions, which mimics non-standard features from MSVC. Disabling this by passing fno ms extensions should do the trick. Surprisingly, even with std equals is C++, pedantic errors, this behavior persists. So a quick fix with the right flag should set things straight. Solution aside, it's essential to note that the behavior of G++ in versions 13 and 14 can lead to unexpected surprises like the one we just explored. By understanding how compiler flags can impact your code, you can avoid such hiccups in the future. And remember, always stay curious and keep exploring the quirks of our programming tools. In summary, we uncovered a puzzling problem with G++ versions 13 and 14 and learned how to tackle it head-on by adjusting the compiler flags. If you enjoyed unraveling this tech mystery with me, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!